I'm going to show you how you can fix the pending delivery confirmation error on DHgate. Now, if you have actually received the product, but it still says pending delivery confirmation, then just let it be. You already have the product and it doesn't really matter what it says. But if it says order status and the pending delivery confirmation, but you haven't received the product for a really long time, then you will need to do a dispute. Now, the way you do that is that first off, if you're on the web, you have to go to the actual thing you want to buy, right? So the thing you're buying here. Now you want to tap on open a dispute. Now once you tap on open a dispute, you want to tap on request a refund because you haven't received the product, right? So request a refund. Now once you tap on request a refund, you will tap on open an after sale dispute. So open that, right? Now if you're on the phone instead, you want to go ahead and go to your actual shipment page here on my orders. Now on here, you want to again tap on the order status there, and then you want to tap on return and refund. So you can click here to open a dispute. Now that's it. That's how you actually fix the pending order delivery on DHgate.